Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we'll see how to create database and table in this video. I hope you all have seen my previous videos. In the previous video I've shown like how to download and install SQL Server on your system. And before that, I have also explained like how the database connectivity will take place. I just have explained the basic concepts about the database connectivity. I'll give the link here in the description. Kindly watch that video and come here because I'll be using some terms from that video. Then it will become very easy for you all to refer. So after launching Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, in front of you all can see the screen. This window comes that is connecting to the server. Of course, my machine is only acting as a server where database have got installed. And here the name, you can see here that server name has been mentioned. So in that video I've just told you like connection object will demand the server name, and that's the server name we have to give while creating the connection object. You all can see that's my machine name, okay, and that's the instance name. So that makes the server name. And while installing, I've decided to go with the Windows authentication. So if I'm able to log in into my system, definitely I'll be able to log in into SQL Server. Otherwise, there are more authentication ways are there. That is SQL Server. Then you have to give the login and password. So that has to be set by while installation, wizards. But now I'll go with the Windows authentication. So I'll try to connect with the server. And here we go. We are in. So on the left hand side, we can see the database here. Click on it, plus sign, try to expand, and you will able to see some 4 databases are already there. That is master, model, MSDB and tempdb. By default they are there. We will create our own. So right click on the database and create new database. Select new database. So we are making a website for yoga, as you all like watching. So I'll give a name like yoga, and I'll be selling the products related to health, fitness and all. So let me give the database name as yoga db, something like this, yoga underscore db. Okay, and then click on click on OK. And you'll be able to see that database has been listed here, yoga db. Okay, now click on the plus sign, expand it, click on the tables. Okay, and there are no tables inside it. Of course, we have to create one table here. So right click on the table, click new table. So our sign up form was ready. Now we want to make the connection with the sign up form. So whenever some user sign up, so that details on the sign up form like first name, last name, mobile address, email ID should register here in this table. Okay, so the first name has to be user ID, and that has to be integer. So you can say like small int, or there are many actually options are there. So I'll go with the int, not allowing null. First I'll just go ahead and enter all the column name I require. So I need f name also, that is for first name, and selecting varchar 50. Then we have got f name, that is then l name, that is last name. For that column name is l name. Similarly I will choose varchar 50, not allowing nulls there. Then after that I need mobile number, so I'll just write mobile, and here I'll be very specific. I'll just mention varchar, and you will be like, okay, sir, why care? Why we are using care here? Okay, because try to think about mobile number as nothing but a collection of 10 characters. Okay, because we are not going to perform any operations on it, so there is no need of selecting the data type as integer or small int or big int, something like that. Okay, so let it be varchar. Okay, then after mobile number we need address. Again it will be varchar 50, more than enough. If you want to change, make it 50 to 100, that will be fine. Then email ID, I'll just again D, and then again varchar 50, not allowing nulls. And the last one is PWD, that is password. Okay, again varchar 50, not allowing nulls. So here the table and the column names are ready. Basically table is not ready, but column names are ready, starting with user ID, first name, last name, mobile number, address, email ID and password. Now we have to declare the user ID as a primary key. We can do that. Okay, so if we select this column here like this, and if you explore the ribbon given above, so you will see somewhere a key symbol. Here it is. So set it as a primary key. We are setting it as a primary key, and I'll go down. I'll make sure that it is selected. I'll go down. I'll scroll here. Here for this column, go inside identity specification. What I'm trying to achieve here is, like for this column, I'll not enter the value. I'll not ask user to enter the value. So user will give first name, last name, mobile and etc etc other details. I want user ID should get generated automatically. Okay, so identity specification for like from here we have to come here. Is identity yes? We have to select yes. Okay, and the increment will be done by 1. You want to start with which particular user ID, like from which particular user ID number. So I can give like 100. So whenever the first user will come, so first user will get the user ID 100, next user will get incremented by 1, that is 101, 102, it will go on, something like that. So carefully have a look over this properties. Okay, column property, I've selected user ID, I've come down, scroll in identity specification. Is identity yes? I'm making the increment by 1 every time when the new user comes, and it will start user ID from 100. That's it. Okay, so bring it down. Now you have to, if you like, you can see the star symbol, that means table has not been saved. So you just have to Control plus S, and it will ask you the name for the table. So I'll just say it is a sign up table. So whenever user will sign up, all the details will go inside this table. And almost like, of course, you will have to remember everything. Database name is yoga_db. Server name was there in the start when you launch SQL Server Management Studio. Table name is sign up, and column names you have just remember the same sequence I have given here, the same sequence which I have set for the sign up form. Okay, I will click on OK. Now the table is ready. So if you go here, you'll be able to see your tables here. If you can't, like, let me close this. Okay, if you can't see the table, okay, what you can do, simply refresh from here and you will be able to see the table here. Right click. If you want to edit the data inside it, you can do that. You can see the design again of it. If you want to make changes, again save it, make the changes, save it again. If you want to see the data of it, so right click on it. So sorry, just a sec, let me close this wizard. The wizard has not finished and all the information you have entered. Okay, fine. I just want to cancel. Yes, cancel it. Yeah, right click on it and select top 1000 rows, and you will be also able to see the data inside it. Now there is no data inside it, so empty record will come. You will see here nothing is there. So once this table is ready, we'll go ahead with the coding part. We'll make the connection on the sign up form with this table, and we'll run the page. We'll enter the details, and you will be able to see those details inside this table. So that's it from this video.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.